A recent technological innovation that I love is the document-fed scanners. This can go really well because you can scan several photos quickly. We're going to take an in-depth look at this scanner a little bit later in the course, but this is the Epson FastFoto scanner, and it allows you to feed images through very quickly. Let's open this up, and this is just designed to capture the images as they come out. Now, you can scan really large images, in fact. You notice that it's quite big here if you have to feed something bigger through. What you want to do is take the pictures and load them into the device. Now, make sure the scanner is on and you'll see it light up. Some of these scanners can also connect to Wi-Fi networks if you want to access them wirelessly. We'll cover more about the scanning software later, but what I want you to see is the speed of this type of scanner. Once you click Start Scanning, it can scan a photo between 1 to 3 seconds, depending upon the quality. And watch what happens. It takes just a second to connect to the scanner, and 1 to 3 seconds per photo, depending upon the settings that you've chosen. This is a great way to get through those shoeboxes filled with photos just waiting to be scanned, because you can load up 25 or more at a time and just let it go. You're going to learn a lot more about this scanner a little bit later in this course.